Hi guys, today I'm going to replace this LED lights. The the LEDs, most of it is done. And if you can see clearly, where let me have a closer shot. You see all those have the black dots on it in the center. Some have, you know, basically only one piece is working. All the others are not working. This this piece is working only. All the others are burnt that I've tested out. So right now I replaced this another one with a simple heater. Just a stove heater. You see, these are the LEDs. Mostly there's a black dot in the center. Let me see. Yeah, you see the black dots in the center is burnt. So I'm going to show you step by step how to replace it. It's quite easy. It's the first time I'm doing this one. First time I'm doing this one. It's quite easy. Although my placing skills is not very straight, but it works. So hold on a minute. Let me take this piece out first. This shoulder, take this piece out. Then we set up the heaters. Then I bring you guys back. Guys, I'm back. This is the hot plate. A hot plate, just a bottom heating element. Just simply set it to highest. Set it to highest. Place it on a few minutes. Then this LED will be able to just pick it off and place it. You see, isn't it easy? Easy, yeah. Just maybe 1 minute or so. So let me zoom it in a little bit more. So it's just a heat from all this. You can just pick it up and replace the LED. Pretty easy things. It's tricky, but of course you need a tweezer and your hands. Be careful on the heat, those heat. The others is placing it back, the new ones. I just buy a ribbon of it. Pretty easy, you see. Just picking them off and placing them. Of course, ventilations. So show you small ribbons. I lost a few in the center, which is okay. I had hundreds of it. So now I'm going to remove it from the package first. So quite a few. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many I had? Let me see. 3, 6, 9. I need 14, 15, 16, 7, 3, 6, 12. 2 more and I'm done. So the LEDs have a positive and negative side. So it's easy to. Let me zoom in first. Let me readjust the cameras. This is the back and this is the front. There's a positive and negative side of the LED. So in my meter, set it to this one, diode. Then you find out where's a positive and negative side. You can see it will brighten up. This is wrong, so I rotate. Yeah, you see it brightens up. So this side is positive, this side negative. Then if you have to follow the circuit board. Let me rearrange the cameras again. So I need them to be one side. So yeah, it's a bit slow. So these are the, let me place them. Let's see, this is the negative side, so I'm doing it quite slowly because I'm doing it without my spectacles. I can't see small things with my spectacles. Of course I need to change my prescriptions. So it's a delicate job. Just merely place it there. I use another tweezer. Place it in. Yeah, not very straight, but as long as I know the connections, it's okay. Huh? Yep, I replace every one of it. Now is waiting it to cool down. Cool down first because I have to remove it using one tweezer and one mini pliers. To let it set up. So, but to make sure that the legs doesn't connect to each other. They're quite close. So the next phase is solder them back to the housing and test it out. I'll bring you guys back. Guys, I've soldered back and screwed it back. So now let's do the testing. Just do the testing. I'm not gonna face you guys. You see, everything works. So now I'm gonna reassemble all the reflectors and such, then the project is complete. It's pretty easy, right? Thanks everyone. Hope this helps. Hot plate giving heat to change the LED. This one are all the spoiled one, you can see. Wait a minute, let me see. Got the black dots in the center, all burned already. Hot plate. Then you can see.